Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see right here we've got some options which we can or even cannot customize, because as you can see we cannot set the date, time and time zone manually. It is because we are using them, they are network provided. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date, and as you can see we can freely pick the date just by swiping. The same situation with the time, just by swiping pick the hour and minutes you want to see, you want to use, and as you can see it will be immediately displayed on the status bar. If you want to close this section, just tap again on the time and date, and the same situation with the time zone, so just tap on it and you will be transferred to full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically find it and tap on it just like that. Let me pick this one. And as you can see it will be also immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Here you can decide if you want to use the 24-hour format, which is currently set, or 12-hour format. Just tap on the switcher and it will be applied. Here you can decide if you want to see the dual clock, which simply means that you will have two different clocks, one from the place in which you're currently in, and the second one from totally another part of the world by your choice. So you can pick them and another city, for example, or another country, and so on. So it's up to you. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, so you can set everything automatically just by tapping on those switchers here. So basically that's all. This is how to change date and time in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.